There we go. 25 minutes on a scroll saw, a nice little working whistle. Stick around and see how it's done. So yeah, perfect little beginners, first timers scroll saw project. If I can do it, anyone can do it. And like I said, it takes about 25, all in, it took 25 minutes, and you could even speed that up by using CA glue rather than normal wood glue. But and yeah, turned out really nice. And actually, don't tell Jamie Page, but it was a lot of fun as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you back here for another video very soon. And also check out the Make It Happen road trip video on this channel as well. There's loads going on this summer and it's going to be awesome. If you want to support it, there's stickers available and there'll be t-shirts available, limited edition, time only t-shirts, and that was designed by Al's Hat Shack. So always good to give Al a shout out as well. We'll see you soon.